Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change notification sounds on Snapchat app or how to enable custom notification sounds on Snapchat app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. After this, tap on your profile and then scroll down and tap on my friends, and in here if you want to change the notification sounds of your friend, then tap on the profile of your friend. After this, tap on the three dots here and then tap on chat settings, and after that you will find out notification sounds, and if you tap on here, then you have to subscribe to Snapchat app to enable it. After subscribing to Snapchat app, you will get the option custom notification sounds for your friends. If you tap on next, and you can also get the free trial. So this is how you can enable custom notification sounds for Snapchat app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.